Hello to you guys and welcome to another episode where I'm doing a circle trip around Bali alone on my motorbike. I started my journey a few days ago and in today's episode I will show you north of Bali Island. I begin at Vladivostok village from where we will go to the short snorkeling tour to the island and then I will move to my next location. It's called Lavina. It's famous place because over there you can see real dolphins and wildlife. So enjoy guys.
Good morning to you guys from Lisa the Russian from the Bali God's Island here in Indonesia. Today we had a really early start in the morning in my wild Bali village. My hotel fed me breakfast and then I ordered a snorkeling tour. So now we arrived to the pickup location. Look, and today we're going to swim with capitalist people, guys, because I saw that Russian tourists are everywhere, but actually it's not. It's a capitalist tourist everywhere, and only myself, I'm only a lone Russian here, so I hope it will go well.
Toen je erin ging, vond dat makkelijk, dus kon je eerst staan, ging je over die schoenen heen.
The boat is crazy. Wow.
And then you can put it to talk everybody, yeah?
That was our first snorkeling location here in Menang Gan Island. I saw real turtles twice and a lot of beautiful fishes and corals in the water. It's just so nice. My Russian soul really gets rest right now. But the ocean pollution is real, guys. It is pretty bad. You see what happened to me? This oil. I'm dirty. Now we're having a lunch break here on the shore. And after that, we're going to go to the second snorkeling location. What is for lunch today? For our little beach picnic, we're going to eat nasi goreng, fried rice, watermelon, and some eggs. Local island animal wants to steal lunch from capitalist people.
Ja, maar het is niet door die stoel.
What you can get if you will not dry your hair and then you will ride a bike. So we got back to the mainland of Bali after our magic island tour, and it's such a highlight of this trip. Like, yeah, it was so cool because for the first time in my life I saw a few turtles and we even swam with one turtle. This is so amazing. Also I saw weeds and fish and like everything. This is just amazing.
Island snorkeling tour costs $37 and also they charge us additional $7 for GoPro underwater pictures because it's not included. I actually really regret that I didn't have any underwater camera because you can make a lot of content there. So I think for that price, lifetime memories swimming with real ocean turtles is a good price.
Is it my day 5 or day 6 of my epic trip around Bali? I even like forgot what day is today, guys, because I just feel so much freedom, you know. Today I'm in one place, I have my bike and jump on my bike, I go wherever I want. So it's such a nice feeling to just have some freedom, you know. So I stopped at the local coffee shop that looks like this. It's pretty cute. I'll get a refreshing coffee because my another long drive. So today we're going to the city called Lavina. My biggest goal of this trip was to go to the north of Bali to see real dolphins, but even though my trip already has been a big success because I already have so much memories from this trip. I saw so many amazing places in Bali already. I remember the epic rain on the beach, and then I released a turtle to the ocean, and then I stayed in a local village with locals, and then I saw epic ceremony of dance of local people, and then epic snorkeling with those turtles, and just more to come. Alright friends, off we go from west north of Bali to the middle north of Bali. I calculated my route and it shows around 42 kilometers, a straight road along the coast probably, and maybe we will see some epic mountains. It starts here. This is me after about 42 kilometers on the bike. Well, it was the easiest part of my journey so far. The straight road, no lorries, almost no buses, pretty easy traffic here. So today we're going to stay in a little bit more luxury place. It is a 3-star resort because I just wanted to get something nice. Bali Gods. Oh wow, have big statue here. Wow. It's like a, wow, it's so pretty. It's like a museum. Oh, this is a breakfast place. This is what I wanted. I wanted proper hotel breakfast. With a huge booking discount, last minute deal, this is what you get in Lavina, Bali for $45 for 2 nights. Not only 1 night, guys. So it's pretty affordable for 3-star resorts, and also they have dolphin tours. So this is what I came for here to Lavina, Bali, to meet dolphins. They have so many plants to take care of. Each room has a balcony and there are many plants on each balcony and so many trees down there. Wow. Oh wow, dolphins!
Yeah, we have dolphins here.
Everything is dolphins in Lavina.
Yeah, because we have here dolphin in Lavina.
Yeah, I know.
Dolphin, yeah. Also, this one I make by myself.
Yeah, it's pretty. Local sellers attack me on the beach. They force me to buy because they just tell you like, oh, no sales, no sales. We have big family and you kind of want to buy something, but what if they are just telling it for sale, you know, but like they give you a discount. So I bought 2 of these, and another I bought 2 of these, but this one I actually very like because it's kind of black and cool. We are right now in the north of Bali, so the sunset now on this side, and sand here is very dark because the volcano is near. Just look how they do napkins here in the shape of the heart, like Lisa with love. And this is my amazing dinner. I ordered mixed seafood because I wanted to try local seafood so much because it should be fresh and delicious. This is how the breakfast works in this hotel. They give you a menu with the main dish to choose. I choose this banana pancake, they call it, and also drinks and fruits and breads and other snacks are over there available. I still wonder how green this place is. Like a truly natural experience. And also they have water sounds everywhere. It feels like surrounded by jungles. Unfortunately, I got a really bad sunburn yesterday on my back, and it was even painful to sleep. My face is a little bit red, but it's fine. I do feel fine, but my backside and my bottom, the back part of my legs, it's just terrible. But I did put the sunscreen, but maybe just not enough, and maybe it was not waterproof, so during swimming it washed away and I just got burned bad. Epic tour for watching and swimming with dolphins here in Lavina is successfully booked. So tomorrow we're going to have another crazy adventure, but we still have a full day today to explore. So I spent some time by the pool, and as we are right now in the north of Bali city, Lavina, it's very close to the mountain area, and today we're going to hit big waterfall, and I want to visit a mountain lake. Riding the bike is just my favorite thing to do in Bali, and especially the most beautiful roads they have in a mountain region. So I'm really excited to go there. These waterfalls here in this area, they are a bit hidden because it's just too far to drive from the main tourist area. It's a long way. But as I'm staying here in the city, it's a good idea to go there because it's just a 30 to 40 minute drive, and they have 2 big waterfalls. They have Munduk waterfalls and Git waterfall. This is where the mountain road starts, a turn from the main road, and it goes there. And I can see from here that the mountains are cloudy, so probably we will drive in the clouds today and just stop at the local snack store. Look at this. This is how they sell fresh fruits and some other Indonesian snack. And I just bought this coconut juice. So nice. 100 times better than buying a drink in a store. Also, they have a cute koi fish store here. Look at that. It's so pretty. Those fishes has such a distinct colors. It feels like they've been painted. Are they being painted, or it's by nature like this? Because the color is so clear. Wow, that is insane. the elevation here. Oh my god, oh my god, this is so beautiful. That's probably the best view of Bali I've seen. Look at that, guys. This is the ocean and this is the shore of Bali. Wow, that is so crazy. So fast. I just came from the town to the mountain. The elevation is pretty serious here. And this is what I found. Some abandoned restaurant here on the hill. I do not recommend to do that if you're not a confident driver of the bike, because this is pretty slope and going up is actually not that difficult, but going down it can be a bit tricky. This is a little bit insane. This is how it looks when you're driving through the deep jungles. I do not know how high we are right now because I reached the elevation of the clouds, so basically we're driving in the fog. When you see it on the road, but this kind of heavy rain, it's just important not to panic. The raincoat really helps, and it's very important just to keep your bag dry with your belongings and a phone. Even though I've just got caught into a pretty epic big thunderstorm, which feels more like a cold shower, that was really refreshing. But you see, I'm doing okay. I'm not soaked wet because it's just expected. It is Bali, nothing surprising here. I've got warm clothes with me because I knew it's not going to be warm in the mountains, and I'm just trying to get the best from this weather. And I decided just to stop at this beautiful view restaurant and just having a very cozy rainy lunch here, and maybe in an hour or so it will clear out and I still can go to the lake and to the waterfall. So let's see how it goes. It was worth waiting. The rain is over and I made it to the waterfall. I need to climb back to the hill, and still it will be my second attempt. Wow, look at this plant, so crazy. It will be my second attempt of going to the mountain lake. I started to descend
back to the city from the mountains, and I choose more wide road to go back down. So we're going to go down there, and right now I'm so high, we are on the same level as clouds. This is how the road looks, and I see this man is transporting 2 goats somewhere on a motorbike.